Hey guys, welcome to our Learning to Excel channel. Today we're going to look at the min function in Excel. The min function is used to get the minimum or lowest value of a range or a set of numbers or values in Excel. So here we have an orders table from 2014 to 2017, and we're going to use the min function to get the lowest sale made in this table. So here in cell L5, I'll hit equals, type min, open bracket, and then we're prompted for the numbers that we want to get the minimum of. So in our case, we're looking at a range, and the range is the sales column of this table. So that's cell G4 to G9997. Happy with our range, so close bracket and hit enter. And there's the result. Lowest sale made in this table was 44 cents. And this min function works for any range that has values in it. So we can look at the quantity column of this table. We see the minimum quantity is 1. We can look at the profit column of this table. We can see the minimum profit is a negative. So that's the min function when we're looking at ranges. It also works if you just want to look at a set or a cluster of numbers. So if we replace this range with a set of numbers, let's say we look at cell G5, G12, G15, I10, and I16. Nice thing about the min function is when you're not looking at a range, you can pick numbers from anywhere in the sheet. We're happy with our set of numbers there, so close bracket and hit enter, and we can see that the minimum or the lowest value in that set of numbers was 197. So that's the min video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, or if you're struggling with Excel, or you have your own Excel problems or issues that you'd like help with, please subscribe to our channel, and you can reach out to our team directly and we'll help you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.